Welcome to the module, Receiving Confirming Purchase Orders. Confirming purchase orders are after-the-fact purchase orders. These purchase orders are created after the goods have been delivered or services rendered. Birch Street receivers are able to receive these purchase orders the same way as a standard purchase order. The confirming purchase orders will appear in red and will display Yes under the Confirm column. Confirming purchase orders can be received using the normal process, but there is also a special button designed for receiving confirming purchase orders. Receivers can utilize the Receive Confirm button to quickly receive any confirming purchase orders. Let's use a scenario to introduce this button. For today's scenario, Joanne, the engineering admin, needs to receive a confirming purchase order in Birch Street. The purchase order is for an emergency service. Joanne could simply go through the normal receiving process by clicking on the Receive button. She can also utilize the Receive Confirm button under the Actions drop-down menu. Clicking on the Receive Confirm button will bring up the confirming purchase order receiving screen. The only fields that appear are the received date, invoice number, invoice amount, and invoice date. The only required field that must be completed is the receive date, and it's identified by the blue box. Joanne can simply input the received date here. She can optionally input the invoice number, amount, and date if this information is available. Next, she can finalize the receiving event by clicking on the Generate Receipt button. Birch Street will process the receiving event and automatically display the receiving record. The purchase order and receiving section of the record will always match since the purchase order was created after the fact. Joanne can click on the Close button to close this screen and go back to the PO page. The purchase order will now update to the Receiving Complete status. Let us summarize what we have learned so far. Confirming purchase orders are after-the-fact purchase orders. These purchase orders are created after the products are delivered or services rendered. Confirming purchase orders can be received using the Receive Confirm button under the Action drop-down menu. The received date is the only required field within the Receive Confirm screen. The other fields are optional. The Receive Confirm screen will automatically generate the receiving record after the receiving event is processed. The purchase order and receiving sections will always be equal on the receiving record, since the purchase order was created after the fact.